I'm William, and this is my wife Diane. Yep, that's me there many years ago with my company in New Zealand.
28 then, a long time ago. We set up Basco about a year ago. But the most important thing that I want to let you know today is that we're an independent firm. So we have no boat dealerships, we have no boat agencies, we don't list boats for sale, and we have no inventory. So it's quite a new concept of providing independent and trusted advice. We help new boaters and what we call searchers, those people that are searching for maybe the lifestyle, trying to make a decision. We help them to gain complete confidence on that boating journey so you can have a unique lifestyle, having those memories of a lifetime without the high stress or the complexity of boat dealers and brokers. So let's kick it off with the three main problems that people commonly share when they're looking at deciding whether to get into this boating lifestyle idea. The first one is information overload and overwhelm. So there's definitely no shortage of information on the internet, it's everywhere. You've got plenty of friends and mates that know all about boats. You've at least got 2 or 3 experts that are in your friends circle. There's social media groups. There is no shortage of information. The challenge is that there's no clear path through all of that information, leading to overwhelm. Another problem is that you're new to the market and everybody loves you. So you're an absolute magnet for boat sellers, for brokers and dealers if you're new to the market. And of course, coming out of that, not sure who to trust. There was a recent survey done of 2,000 new boat owners, and 70% of those people said they didn't know who to trust. And also there's a lot of insider information. So information that people that are on the inside know that you as a new boat or a boat decider or a searcher, you don't know.
And you're talking to a broker about a particular boat. Next door, another broker has got a boat that is the same size, it has the same engine, it has the same steering, it has the same electronics in it, and he tells you it's the best boat. And you can go across 4 or 5 different brokerages, all different brands, all built in different countries, and all running the same gear. So you walk away from that going, okay, well, what's the difference? Instead of them giving you information about how they can support you and asking you how you want to use your boat.
The new kids on the block or on the water, and they love you. They're and quite often there's lots and lots of boats on the market, and I'm not sure if you have noticed that yourself. You walk around a marina and every 4th or 5th boat has a for sale sign on it. So it's natural to think, well, what's going on here? And then many of them have been on the market for more than a year. What's going on? Well, in some cases what's going on is that the owner's waiting for the right price to come along. And you could be the right price if you're new to the market. So people are waiting for you. You become the right price to come along. And so half the boats that are on the market, the owners are sitting waiting, like anything, you know, you've got something to sell. Yeah, if I get the right money for it, I'll sell it.
I had a call from a dealer and said he had a very good friend and a client that wanted to have a look at one of the boats that we had. And I gave him a number of 400,000, and that had a 10% commission in that figure. So he brought another friend along who was a guy that was doing servicing of engines in the marina, and they were his clients. So we showed them the boat. Okay, we've got a deal. The 400 we will give to the client, and we're going to sell it at 550. So you make 50,000, I make 50,000, and my friend makes 50,000 out of this guy's friend that he was selling it to.
And what Will actually said to him, he says, I thought you told me that guy was your friend. So he's going to charge him 150 grand more. So yeah, some friend.